Hi, Pedro Ocana, President of Sunset Homes. Today we're doing a site visit at the project called Sunview. This project is located in the community of Crescent Heights. The homeowner had decided to build here because of the proximity to downtown. That way he can commute very easily back and forth from work. We have completed a few projects before, and right now we're building 3 more projects in this community. In this stage of construction, we are doing the flooring installation. We already finished the tiles, and now we're moving to the hardwood. This is an age-in-place project. What that means is that the owners are staying here for 20 to 25 years.
Having a tub, a steam shower, and an actual shower makes life easier when you're spending so much time in your house. Having a custom closet where you can get easy access to your clothes is also really important. To learn more about age-in-place design and anything related to the custom home build process, please check our blog and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.